Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Alright, so it's 30 minutes before my big day, my birthday. Woohoo! Woohoo! So I just finished recording my birthday fashion overhaul. I got some Shein accessories for my birthday weekend. So if you want to see how I dress these up, follow me on the gram and you guys will see how I put these accessories together with my outfits. So this video will be out probably the day after my birthday.
On a birthday, on a birthday, on a birthday.
This big old box filled with Shein accessories. I had to open it first to make sure everything was in the box. Please guys, go check out my fashion overhaul. I think I'm gonna post that one before this because I have a lot more details about my hair, my birthday weekend, everything in that video. So just go check it out. So it's like 30 minutes away before my birthday, so I'm just trying to get everything, you know, out there before, because I just want to enjoy my birthday weekend. I don't want to be doing any recording this year. Last year I did vlogs and stuff. This year I just want to enjoy the moment with my boyfriend. So yeah, your girl got her nails done today after 6 months, and I did my hair off camera because I already have like 3-4 of these braiding videos on my channel. So I was like, let me just do this off camera. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So first we have this Shein leather graphic tote purse with keychain. This purse caught my attention because it was giving me a Aldo vibe, like it's from Aldo, you know that brand, because I saw these letters. I was like, yeah, Aldo, your girl got some Aldo purse. Yeah, but this is the color brown. It's so cute, and these purses are so cheap. Like guys, Shein purses are affordable, cute, and this is so cute. Yeah, this was giving me an Aldo vibe. I'm sorry guys. If I could get something cute, simple, as long as it's cute, I'm not paying for the name. I just like the style, you know. I'm not gonna be paying for an Aldo bag for what? Girl, bye. Anyways, when you have like bags like these, who needs Aldo? Just get the fake Aldo. Let me know what you guys think about this purse. It's just a simple purse, and I'm gonna leave the link for all these accessories down in the description box, so you can just go and click on it and see, you know, prices and colors and you know what they have similar to bags like purses like these. This one is the Shein Leather Girls, I forgot the name, PVC, all of that extraness. Yeah, but this bag, I don't know, I want to say this is my second favorite out of all the purses and stuff. I want to say this, but I love it. I don't know, it's in competition with another one that I'm gonna show you guys next, but I love it. It's like it has this plastic feeling. It's a little see-through, and this goes with my nails. That's why I got my nails this color to match this purse, because I'm gonna dress it up for my birthday. My shoes is gonna match as well. Yeah, just follow me on the gram. Listen, I'm not gonna read all of this extra on voyage or passada. Your girl ain't now souvenir de French. I don't even know if it's French, but what am I to say? But anyways, oh, and you just like spin, open. Oh, that's why. Anyways, it has a strap if you want to wear it across, so you can put the strap on. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing it like that because I want to be bougie Krissy for my birthday weekend. So I gotta have the bougie look. Bougie, like Dear from Dear and Ken. Like should be like, oh, I'm bougie D. Who you know got a bag like this. I'll wait. All right, stop it. Ta-da, 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 baby shark. Stop it. Anyways, I don't know if this is my first, if this is my favorite or my second favorite between this one and the pink. But guys, let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite? Because I love this. All right. What did I say? What I said. I am Bougie Krissy this weekend. I've been through so many of these little purses, but not from Shein. So it's my first time buying purses from Shein, and I love it. So this one is called, listen, these names are so long, I have to read it off my stuff. So it's the Shein chain handle box shaped acrylic satchel bag. Me not gonna remember all of that, so yeah. Which one is your favorite, this one or the pink? It's like a little box with the chain, see-through. All right, so next we have, it's just a little wallet type thing. It's called Shein leather graphic fold over purse. Just something simple, you know, because girls always need purses. And I saw this and I was like, oh, cute colors. Let's get this, you know. So this is it. It's cute, you know, just a simple little purse. Wallet type purse thingy. Just opened, and you could put your cards and your, you know, your, if you want to put a picture here of yourself, of anyone, doesn't matter. Zip, and then you have this deep spot here. You could put more stuff, your lip gloss, or you know. So yeah, I just love the color. It's cute. The wallet that I have is getting old. These are so you're not come back to Nama. Oh, so yeah, you know, these are China brand, but we don't care cause we live in it with no fear. Bubble your body for the up that bus. I baby. Hey. I wish I could play music on YouTube, man. I would be turned up right now, like turned up. By the way, I'm drinking stone ginger wine, so don't mind me. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description box for these beautiful purses if you guys want to purchase. They're so cheap, like $9 and $10 and $6 and cheap. You can't beat those prices. Oh, also, if you guys want to support your girl on her birthday, help her celebrate her birthday, make it the best, because you guys already know with this coronavirus we can't really do much, can't really go outside, travel, or enjoy, you know, just do what you want to do. You have to stay safe, stay on the safe side. So that's what I'll be doing for my birthday this year. It's just gonna be like a relaxed, chill birthday weekend, nothing too crazy. No one knew it would last this long. Anyways, I'm gonna leave my Cash App name here if you guys want to support your girl. Also, I'm gonna have the PayPal link in the description box if you guys don't have Cash App, because you guys enjoy your girl's videos and stuff like that. Support your girl. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe and hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Let me know what's your favorite, which one is your favorite. Like I said, you guys know I'm just simple. I like simple and cute, nothing too crazy, nothing too over the edge, just simple and cute. So let me know which one was your favorite, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.